Chapter 6, Data Descriptive 6.2, Measure of Location for Ungrouped Data, Part 2. So, outcome learning, find and interpret quartile and percentile for ungrouped data. So, what is quartile? Quartile is the value that divide a list of arranged number into quartiles. So, first, put the list of a number in order. Then, you cut the list into 4 equal parts. And then the quartile are at the cut. So this is first quartile, this is second quartile, also median. Okay, second quartile is median, and then this is third quartile. So what is interquartile range? What is interquartile range? Interquartile range is third quartile you minus with first quartile. Next, example 1. Find the first, second, and third quartile of the following data. So, this is ungrouped data. So, A, put the number in order. So, first you put the number in order. After you put the number in order, you cut the list into quartiles. So, after you cut the list into quartiles, so you will get first quartile is 4. Second quartile is median. Is equal to 5, and third quartile is 8. So next, B, same, you put the number in order. So after you put the number in order, you cut the list into quartiles. So after you cut the list into quartiles, you will get this is first quartile, this is second quartile, and then this is third quartile. So how to find the first quartile? So the first quartile is the midpoint between 2 and 3. So, how to find the midpoint? We just plus 2 plus 3 over 2. So, the first quartile is 2.5. So, second quartile is 5 plus 6 over 2. Divide by 2. So, you will get second quartile is 5.5. And then third quartile is 7 plus 8 divide by 2. So, the third quartile is 7.5. Next, percentile. So, what is percentile? Percentile is the value that divide a list of arranged number into 100 equal part. Arranged number into 100 equal part. So, first put the list of the number in order. Next, you can use the formula. So, this is formula to find percentile, also to find the quartile. So, this is formula. You can find percentile and quartile. So, first, you find S. You find S first. So, what is S? S is N times K over 100. So, what is N? N is number of data. What is K? K is this. Okay, K is this. So, you divide by 100. And what is the bracket S? Okay, this bracket S meaning that the least integer greater than S. So, after you get the value of S, you choose. If your S is an integer, okay, if you get integer, so this is your percentile or your quartile. But if your S is a non-integer, so your quartile or your percentile is this. Okay, for example, you want to find the 15, 25, and 60 percentile of the following data. So, you have the ungrouped data. You need to find the percentile. So, the solution is, okay, for P15, you put the data in order. So, you put the data in order. So, you find S first. Okay, so S is equal to N times K over 100. What is N? Again, N is number of data. So, the number of data is 12. So, you multiply with K. What is K? So, since you want to find P15, your K is 15. So, you divide by 100, we get 1.8. 1.8 is a non-integer. So, your S now is non-integer. So, when your S is non-integer, your P15 is equal to X bracket 1.8. What the meaning of bracket 1.8? You take the least integer greater than S. Meaning that the least integer greater than 1.8. So, the least integer greater than 1.8 is 2. So, P15 is equal to X2. So you take X2 here. So, this is X1. So, this is X2. Okay, this is X2. So your X2 is 2. So P15 is 2. Next, P25. 25 percentile. So first, you arrange the data. And then after that, you find S. S is N times K over 100. So N is number of data. So K is, you want to find P25. Therefore, your K is 25 divided by 100. So you get S is equal to 3. 3 is integer. So since 3 is integer, you use this formula to find P25. Okay. P25 is equal to XS plus XS plus 1 divided by 2. So your S is 3. So your S plus 1 is 4. So X2, X3 from the data is, this is X1, X2, X3 is 2. X4 is 3. So you divide by 2, you get 2.5. Therefore, 25 percentile is 2.5. Next, P60. So how to find P60? Okay, you arrange the data, and then after that you find S. So S is N times K divided by 100. Again, N is a number of data. K is 60. And then 12 times 60 over 100, you get 7.2. So 7.2 is a non-integer. So when 7.2 is a non-integer, you use this formula. P60 is equal to X bracket 7.2. So what the meaning of bracket 7.2? You take the least integer greater than S. So you take the least integer greater than 7.2. So 8. So your P60 is equal to X8. So data yang ke-8. So X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, X6, X7, X8. So your X8 is 6. Therefore P60 is 6. That's all.